fastest way to transfer files from PC to phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to transfer files from your PC to your phone. No cables, no waiting. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. One of the quickest methods is using Snapdrop. Just open a browser on your PC and your phone and go to snapdrop.net on both. They instantly recognize each other as long as they're on the same Wi-Fi. You just have to select your device name, select the file you want to send, and it appears instantly on your phone with a download prompt. No apps, no sign-in, and it supports photos, videos, documents, pretty much anything. Another great option is Send Anywhere. Install the app on your phone, open the website or app on your PC, and just enter the 6-digit key. The transfer is fast, encrypted, and doesn't compress your files. If you prefer cloud, Google Drive or OneDrive also works, but Snapdrop and Send Anywhere are way faster for instant transfers without uploads or syncing. That's all for the video. Try these tools and transfer your files from PC to phone in seconds. No cable needed. See you in the next one.